What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video, and today we are exploring the world of RhinoShield. A lot of you may know what RhinoShield is. It's pretty much a phone case company that is very well renowned, high quality, and a few little twists and customizational features that make it stick out like no other case company. So first of all, shout out to the guys over at RhinoShield for sending us this whole box of goodies over. There's a bunch of cases here and a bunch of accessories that we're gonna explore right now, but thank you for sending this over for me to check out. There's a lot of cases here and I don't need all of them. Just stick around to the end and I'll be giving a few of these away. There's no need for one single person to have this many cases. Anyways, so let's jump right into it. So I'm just gonna start taking things out of the box, putting them in a certain order. These are all of the goodies that they sent over. These are all different variations of awesome products that really will take your phone from bare naked to actually protected and additionally very, very useful. Let me just start off by saying a few things about each of these items here. Let's start with the main stuff here. These are the cases for the iPhone X. I selected the ones called the SolidSuit. I think that's kind of a very well-rounded, amazing case for the iPhone X. It encompasses, it protects the back, and I'll show you this guys in a second. There's something called a mod, which is pretty much a bumper that you can add things to, such as a backplate if you would like to. Bumper plus backplate makes a full case, but gives you the customization of having a backplate or not having a backplate. This right here are the mod's buttons. You can change all the buttons on the cases to whatever color is suitable for you. Screen protection. This screen protection, apparently, I don't know, I haven't tested it out yet, but I will in just a second, is so strong that you can actually take a hammer to it. I may or may not try that in this video. These are the lens adapters. So all the cases, the back plate have this lens adapter capability where you just allows you to mount all of these lenses. Look how many lenses there are. And so let's just start exploring all of these fun little things, okay? So SolidSuit is the phone case that kind of encompasses the entire phone. I've been using one of these very generic black ones just to get a feel for it for the past week there. And let me tell you, it fits on the phone amazingly. It's rated for an 11-foot impact. What else do you have? Premium finish, durable material, raised lip covers for all angle dropping, snug fit, very snug. It literally took me like 10 minutes to take this phone out of the case. 3 millimeters thin, very, very small case. So you notice that there's 3 different types of wood colored cases. All of them are very, very nice. And then the last one here that I have here is a carbon fiber finish. A lot of people like that. Look how nice all of these cases really are. The quality of them, look at them wrapping around the phone. Just the way it fits around the phone is such a well-rounded product that it feels very safe. It makes me grip my phone a little bit less tight. I don't feel like if there's any reason that this can't take the impact. If you actually take a look closer onto the case, you'll see the honeycomb features here, and that's exactly what protects the phone from the impacts. You also notice that the front of the case here protects the glass so you can rest it on its face and no scratches are gonna happen. It protects the camera bump. Very, very nice. While I have this case out, you can actually pop all of these buttons out and you are then able to replace them with some of the mod buttons, whatever colors you got here. What colors do we have? We have some black, pink, some red, some blue. There's quite a big variety actually. Okay, so let's put some red buttons in here. So the volume, red, and there you go. So you now have a very clean black case with some red buttons to kind of spice things up. Looks really good, and they all fit very well. They're not popping out. It's a fantastic, fantastic fit. So now let me show off to you guys the amazing features of this lens adapter, okay? You notice that there's a little bit of a gap right by the camera, and that's exactly for the purpose of this lens adapter. So let me show you what this looks like. So to install the lens adapter, all you have to do is slide it right into the camera hole here. You're now able to put camera lenses onto your case. So let me put that in really quick. So I'll do a separate video on the actual lenses, but I just want to show you how versatile this kind of whole thing really is. So let's take the 0.6 times HD wide angle here. And the quality of these lenses is something that's amazing. If you take it out, it's a solid metal build. It's got glass. It's got an awesome little lens cap. They all come with a little baggie so you can travel with them safely. So you take the back piece here off and you can very easily screw this in. So that's what it looks like. Awesome little feature there. And it's nice because you can take that lens adapter out if you don't want it. You don't have to have it. It kind of gives you that freedom to have or not to have, which is great. I'm a huge fan of that versatility there. You'll notice very quickly that all of these little items here, they can all be switched around. That right there is a SolidSuit, the lens adapter, and of course the lens, and customizable buttons. Everything's very versatile and very easy to change out. So now let me show you the mod. So this is the bumper. I'm gonna be putting on the black one there. There's a ton of colors that are available in the mod. It's pretty much just a bumper that can be then modified to have a backplate and all of that fun stuff. So just very quickly looking over the box, mod, super tough, modular case. That whole modularity is really what makes this very special and what this kind of idea comes with. So it comes with a frame and buttons that can obviously be changed out. The buttons can be kind of swapped out just like I did with the SolidSuit, a rim to make everything kind of lock into place, and a backplate. And this backplate here is what kind of allows you to add the lens adapters as well, right? So here's the frame, here's the rim, and if you want to just use this on its own, very simply slide your phone in, rim goes on the back, locks into place, and you've got yourself a phone that is fully protected on all corners, enough to hide the camera bump and enough to rest your phone on its screen without being concerned that any scratches are gonna happen. I'm a huge fan of this look. This is what I'm probably gonna be rocking for the next couple of weeks. It exposes the back, shows off your phone, and it's light and it's thin, and it doesn't really impact how the phone feels very, very much. And that's that. So maybe if you want to go on a little bit more of an adventure, if you want a little bit more protection, you want to protect the back, you can get yourself one of these mod back plates. So pretty much what it is, it's literally a back plate made of this plastic material that can then just be added. And while I have this out, what I'll do is I'll add the lens adapter. So all you do here, put that in there, clicks right in. And where this back plate goes is actually kind of replaces the rim here and just locks right into the frame. And it kind of creates this full picture, full protection case. And there you go. Wow, that actually looks fantastic. I'm a huge fan of this material here. That actually looks great. Anyways, so you had the bumper, you had the back plate, now you have a fully protected phone from all the angles, and you have a lens adapter there to mount all the lenses that you would like. Okay, so now you're saying, okay, you got your back protected, you got your side protected, what about the front? Impact protection screen. So I could have used this at work this week when I shattered my phone. Not this phone, my work phone. But this is a very high quality screen protector. If you take a look at some of the features, fingerprint resistant, scratch resistant, impact dispersion, impact dampening, high strength, and zero residue adhesive. Very, very awesome. And there's a video demo if you want to check it out. Or just stay tuned because I'm about to install this and maybe even take a hammer to it. Who knows? Okay, so here it is. Very nice. Instructions on the left hand side. This is going to be everything you need to clean the phone, the actual screen protector. There's going to be your card here just to get rid of all the air bumps. And what I just noticed is how thin this is. And it's not like tempered glass or anything. This is very nice. Anyways, so let's go ahead and install it. Screen protector is on. That was the last piece. Very nice to the touch. Okay, let me go get a hammer and actually see what this thing can do. Okay, one sec. This is stressful. Okay. RhinoShield, did you guys pick a good product or what?
This is a journey into sound. A journey that brings you.
Oh! I still have a screen. That's enough of that. Everything works. Not a single even like scratch on this thing. Wow. Wowee wow. So that's kind of the whole RhinoShield ecosystem. It is awesome. Everything's very customizable. Everything's very, very well made. Even the buttons here, like this, the quality of all of this stuff is very, very impressive. I'm gonna have obviously links down to RhinoShield's website if you guys are interested in any of this. That screen protector, I just literally took, I don't even know what kind of hammer is this. The moral of the story is that this screen protector does what it says. It's impact resistant. It's very good. It's very light and thin and very nice. It's not too protrusive like a lot of screen protectors are. The cases are fantastic. The lens adapter really does allow you to mount very, very hefty lenses on it. There's gonna be a separate video, of course, about the lenses and how they actually change the photos that it takes. Anyways, very well made products. Everything from the SolidSuit to the mod to the bumpers, even to the backplate to the buttons, very well made. Anyways, hope you liked that video. If you did, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. For additional brownie points, please follow me on all of my social media. Links can be found, of course, down in the description. And I'd like to take the last little second here just to thank the guys over at RhinoShield again for sending out all this cool stuff for me to play around with. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the description. But for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one. So you guys probably thought I forgot about the giveaway. No, I did not. Well, before I upload it, I forgot it when I was shooting. Anyways, so what you have to do to win the giveaway here is follow me on Instagram, like and comment on the post regarding this video. There'll be a photo of the thumbnail or a little bit of snippet of the video, and leave a comment or comment and like, and I will be sure to kind of reach out to one of you. I'm going to give it a week until next Friday or next Sunday, which is let's say the 10th of July 2018 Eastern time. At some point I will announce a winner at some point during that day, and then the prize will be one or two of the cases, maybe one of the lens adapters and lenses. So be sure to do that, and good luck to all of you that enter.